particular topic. Okay, this particular topic I'm not gonna share it. So yeah, this is a shortcut for first thing is to find the last digit and a remainder. So let's see some questions. I'm going to switch off the video. Okay, so let's understand what is the topic. So make sure that you guys are fully into this. It's a very interesting topic. Okay, so how do we start this thing? How do we remember? Correct? Yes, or store in our memory, because this is something which you have not been taught for it. So this is what my main objective. My main objective is not to just teach and go, but make sure it should be there in memory. For example, first question: find the last digit of 2 power 5. Can anyone tell me the answer fast? Last digit of 2 power 5. Last digit of 2 power 5. Either you can use Zoom chat or you can use this thing. Guys, last digit of 2 power 5. Who is telling me fast? This is a competitive thing, right? And let me, I got one chat. Rishabh, you are correct. See, this is a competitive environment. If you are dull today, let me know. Last digit of 2 power 5. Amrita, correct. Others, Nirub, Srikanth. Where are the answers? Srikanth, you are correct. Mr. Nirub and Arshita. Answers, please. Nirub, are you there? 2 power 5. Luckily, you are not here. Huh? Nirub, are you able to hear me? Yeah, what is the answer? Since you're chatting with me here, you can speak up, Nirub. Or you can do in chat, whichever you feel like. Two power 5. Can anyone speak up what is the answer?
Sir, 2.
Answer is 2. What is 2 power 5 actually? 32, right? Yes. 2 power 5 is 32. So what is the last digit? 2. But this question is easy. Correct? Suppose if the question is, let's take 44 power 66. This is our question. Can anyone tell me the answer immediately for this? The last digit of this? Just very fast. We can calculate it. That's a different thing. Using calculator or some other thing. But very fast, can you compute in your mind within 10-15 seconds? No, that's what I'm going to teach you today. Yeah. So let's understand the mechanism, how we are getting this answer. Correct. So Nirub, I hope you understood what I'm trying to speak.
Yes, sir, got it. Sir.
Yeah. 2 power 5 answer 32, you know or you don't know? You know, right?
Sir, I was knowing, sir.
Then why didn't you message me in chat? Or you can do a spoken up, no? This is an interactive session, guys. Just want to tell you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this will help you to get correct answers in your entrance examination. 2 questions they will ask based on this. This is not there in your syllabus. Okay, but these questions will come for entrance. That time will remember me. So the mechanism of this is my base value is 2. So first step is to find what? Power cycle of 2. In the sense, what I'll write here? 2 multiply with 2 itself. 2, what will I do? Multiply by the number itself. So 2 2s are 4. That I'll write it here. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. But 16 I don't write the second digit. I only write the units place digit. 2 4 8 6 and 2. That's it. I'll repeat one more time. 2 multiply by the number itself. 2 2 2s are 4. Correct? 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. This is my step for getting the answer to this thing. So we have to understand how to find the last digit. So it's always easy for us to take a known number. 32 2 power 5, it's okay. Correct? This is something known to us. Answer already I know. 32. Yes. So the first step is this one. Okay. So power cycle of 2 is what? I'll write down here. Power cycle of 2. What is it? 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 6. That is my step 1. Step 1 is over. Step 1 is over. Now my step 2. Step 2, I'll write on here. That is 4k plus dash is equal to the power. Power in the sense, this 5 is there, no? This is my power. In the sense, this I will bring it down here. But I'll use another yellow color thing. 4k plus remainder. 4k, this is step number 2, is common for all. 4k plus remainder is equal to what? The power. What is the power here? 5. Correct? Yes, k is a constant. So next step for us is divide 5 by 4. Which 5 by which 4? This 5 by this 4. What is the remainder? 5 by 4 remainder? 1, right? Correct. That you have to place it here. 1 is the remainder. Yes. Then in the power cycle of 2, write down here 1, 2, 3, and 4. The remainder is 1. So which the remainder is matching now to this 2. So what is the last digit? 2 itself. How many of you are clear with this? Or understood? Okay, little bit. Bishop is clear. Okay. Yes, Rishabh. Correct. Clear. If I do one more question, you will be able to get it. Remember only two things. Two things, okay? The things to remember is what? First thing is to find the power cycle. Correct? Here, the base value to take. 2. Multiply what? By the number itself. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. And 16 2s are 32. Obviously, it will come to this, right? Do not write the 2-digit thing. Only write a single digit one. Okay. Second thing, for every problem, this is same. 4k plus remainder is equal to the degree or power of this. Divide this 5 by this 4. Clear? That's all. And coming to your doubts, kindly don't have any doubts as of now. Okay, don't think too much. Now do not think anything because you are learning for the first time. And here we are not going to do a PhD or research on any topic. Our agenda is very simple. What is our agenda? Agenda is very simple. To get the 2 answers correct in the entrance examination. We are not going to do a research. Whatever I'm going to discuss, well below that level only will come in the entrance examination, which means you will be able to do any questions. Now let's come back to the thing. Okay, let's do one more question. You should be able to get it done. I'll explain one more time. Guys, kindly listen carefully. Find the last digit, okay, of 3 power 75. What is it? 3 power 75. So first step number 1. What is it? Power cycle. So here we'll write power cycle of what? 3. So first you write down 3 here, correct? Multiply with the number itself. Multiply with the number itself. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27, but you don't write 2 here. Correct? 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 3 itself. So it's like this. The rotation is like this. Srikanth, are you clear about this power cycle? This thing? Are you clear about this step? Since you told you're having some doubt. Are you clear about this? Perfect. Step number 1, you're clear. Okay. Step number 2. Okay. What is my step number 2? This rule is common for everything. What is it? 4k plus remainder. 4k plus dash is equal to what? The power. The power is what here? 75. So I write here what? I'll draw here. This 75 to bring it over here. Okay, this 75 to bring it over here. Okay, yeah. So 75, I'll write it down there in the pink color. Correct? And what do you do? I divide 75 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 35. 4 8s are 32. So anyway, that 30 is not required. The remainder I'm getting is what? 3. I'm getting the remainder. Write down the remainder here, 3. Then what I have to do? I have to do the numbering. The numbering will start from where? From here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. When the remainder is 3, draw there. So what is the last digit? The last digit is 7. 3 is corresponding to 7. Is everyone clear now? Up to this? Perfect. Arshida. Srikanth, what about you? Nirup? Yeah. Rishabh? Yeah. Okay. Namrata, I hope it's clear. If it's not clear, I'll find it out now itself. Because next is a test. Everyone copy down the previous thing or how is it? Everyone understood the thing, right? Okay, anyway, I'll keep this thing open. Test I will do here itself. Let's do the test. Okay, the last digit of, let me take 44 power 66. 44 power 66, you tell me what is the last digit. That's it. So it's find the power cycle of 4 in same process. Test, and the answer either send it to me in Zoom chat, the last digit of this. Srikant, the question is, I'll write down here. The question is nothing but this. Can you see the question now? Yeah, can you kindly unmute? Yeah, that's a question. Okay, I'll write down everyone's answer here. Namrata has already told the answer. I'm not sure whether it's correct answer. Okay. Namrata has told the last digit is 6. I'm waiting for everyone to participate actively in this. Let's see, this is a competitive examination. Okay. We have to be highly competitive. It's not a lazy examination thing. Fine. Rishabh has told 6. Let me write down. Rishabh 6. Or Rishabh, you send me in WhatsApp. Let me check anyway. Rishabh has told me 6. I'll see who is doing it faster. Srikant, Nirup, Arshita. Any who needs my help, they should message me that also. Nirup has told 6. Srikant, what about you? Arshita, what about your answers? Anyone needs my help? Don't worry. Srikant 4. Okay. I'll do it because I don't have, I have to do 2 more questions based on this. Okay. Let me try this question now. Yeah. So it is 44 power 66. What is the first step? Power cycle of 4. Correct. So 4 4s are 16. Then again, what is it? 6 4s are 24. So that's it. Power cycle of 4 is what? 4 and 6. That's it. Now next rule is what? Step number 2. 4k plus remainder is equal to the power. It is 66. Now divide this 66 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 26 is coming. So 24. So quotient is Emily's bothered. So the remainder is 2 here. Mark it here as 1 and 2. If it is 2 is the thing, then what is the correct answer here? What I have to mark? I have to mark here as 2. So answer is 2. That's it. The last digit is 2 here. Good, Srikanth, at least. I hope you understood where did you go wrong? Let me know. Did you understand or where it was actually the problem? A 4k division. That will happen. Okay, that will happen. But now you understood, right? See, mistakes will happen. That it will definitely happen. So that's not a problem here. Now let's go to the second part. Okay. Now already if we found the last digit of 3 power 75. Okay. And suppose same question. Okay. Find I'll write the question here. Or else, guys, one more mail I'll send it to you. Okay, so you can join that particular mail, but join fast, guys. This mail everyone can exit now. One more mail I will be sending. Okay, that thing you can join. Yeah.